Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel DJ Kid. Hope you guys are having a good weekend and obviously enjoyed the football. Great game. So yeah, I wanted to talk to you guys today about a token which I believe will do 100x in the next bull run. And yeah, the project consists of great technology and it just looks very promising. So let's get straight into it and take a look and see what that project is. So that project that I wanted to talk to you guys about is a project called Axelar. So if we just load it up here on CoinGecko, so currently ranked 382 in terms of the crypto market cap. So trading at 48 cents, which is below the ICO price. The ICO price was $1, so literally, you know, at 48 cents, you're getting it at a discount price from the ICO as well, which is huge. But yeah, it's a great project, and we'll just take a look at the website in just a moment or so, and also just why I believe it will, you know, potentially 100x come next bull run. So as I was saying here, trading at 48 cents, currently circulating supply is around 92 million. So there's still a fair few tokens to be unlocked and you know, hit the ecosystem. So total supply of tokens is 1 billion. But anyways, let's take a look and see what Axelar has to offer. So basically what Axelar is, it's a decentralized network that connects dApp builders with blockchain ecosystems, applications and users, and it makes it very simple for cross-chain communication. So if we take a look at the website here, Axelar powers the cross-chain future. And there's a cool video which I'll show you guys as well in just in a moment or so you can see how you know, Axelar works. So it consists of two layers. There's the network and the API above it, and basically, yeah, it just consists of permissionless overlay network, so which delivers complete cross-chain communication via proof of stake permissionless protocols. So basically, in short, what that kind of means is that there's protocol suites, there's tools, there's APIs, and they're designed to break down the barriers between cross-chain communication within Axelar, and that's kind of what that offers. And we'll take a look at some of the use cases and also you know, the partners that have invested into the project itself. So here you can see Axelar delivers secure cross-chain communication for Web3. Infrastructure enables dApp users to interact with any asset or application on any chain with one click. So literally multiple chains, you know, whether you're using Cosmos or, you know, Polkadot or whatever it may be, there's so Axelar makes it so easy for, you know, the interaction between those two chains, and you can literally use liquidity from different chains and so on, and you can, you know, use the DeFi programs, the protocols. You can, you know, use your NFTs as collateral between cross-chain. So there's a lot that you can literally do with Axelar. And if we go down here and just have a look at some of the backers, obviously I like to look at backers and see if there's any, you know, big boys that have invested into the project. And here you can clearly see Coinbase, huge investor, Binance, huge investor. You've got Polychain Capital, Galaxy, you know, some real big investors there which are backing Axelar. So, you know, it makes me bullish for the longer term anyway. So just looking at the backers there, the partners, obviously we've got the other, you know, the blockchains there, Avalanche, Cosmos, Ethereum, Polkadot. We've got Moonbeam, Secret. So, you know, it's a great ecosystem that they're building. And the partners kind of prove that, the tech proves it, and, you know, the backers as well. So here, if we continue going down the website, so add interoperability to your dApp. So now dApps can communicate across chains using Turing complete calls and messages on permissionless proof of stake transport layer. So yeah, you know, you can literally, as I was kind of saying before, you can create dApps on you know, you can create dApps and basically use them cross-chain over various blockchains, and that's key. That, you know, I believe that this whole interoperability between different blockchains is obviously going to be a hot focus coming into the next bull run, and already is a hot focus, to be honest. And this is what Axelar kind of breaks down. So beyond bridges, obviously it treats itself is greater than a bridge. It's not, you know, the technology behind Axelar works a lot more secure than just the bridge itself, because obviously we know with some of the most I guess the most recent events, some bridges have had flaws, and yeah, you know, Axelar goes beyond that. So here you can see Axelar goes far beyond sending wrapped assets with general message passing, which carries any payload securely cross-chain. Applications can call any function on any connected chain and deliver a one-click experience for users on any other connected chain. This is a new kind of dApp development that puts users first and lets developers build on the platform best suited to their use case. So it just kind of breaks down there what Axelar are looking to achieve. Secure cross-chain communication, obviously we touched on that. Build via API, we kind of touched on that as well. Use cases here. So the use cases basically consist of composable liquidity. So you can use, you can create a cross-chain DEX or AMA. So an AMA is a automated market maker, and you can connect liquidity from various other chains. So you can basically create something on Ethereum and look to use liquidity on a different chain. That's pretty much how Axelar works. Allows for cross-chain governance here as well, and also cross-chain NFTs. So you can use your NFTs as collateral on any other chain, and you know that's huge. It's huge. I mean, what these guys are looking to achieve is just great. And as I was saying to you before as well, there's a cool video that I wanted to play for you. Obviously, you know, it has more detail about how Axelar works. So I'll just literally load that up right now. Let me just put the volume up and let's head over to this video. So it's a short video, and I'll just play this from the beginning.
We believe that Web3 is the future. Axelar is developing the core infrastructure and tooling necessary for developers to innovate with blockchain technology and provide their end users with amazing application experiences. We achieve this by addressing the fragmentation and painful user experiences for developers and end users in today's blockchain ecosystems. Here's how. Axelar is the universal overlay network, securely connecting all blockchain ecosystems, applications, assets, and users, enabling developers to build on the best blockchain for their particular use case. The overlay network supports asset transfer, composability of applications, and generalized message passing across any blockchain ecosystem through protocols and APIs. This means developers can build their applications on one blockchain and allow their users to interact with assets, users, and dApps on any other blockchain. So what's in this stack? At its core, Axelar is a decentralized network run by a permissionless set of validators that power cross-chain interoperability requests. Designed to achieve universal interoperability, the network is blockchain agnostic, supporting diverse approaches to consensus. With only a few lines of code, protocol developers can add arbitrary chains to the network through the permissionless validators. On top of the network sit Axelar relay services and the Axelar SDK. The SDK allows easy access to the network and composability across the unified network of blockchains through a collection of application layer protocols and APIs. Application developers use the SDK to efficiently connect their applications, enabling greater distribution across all chains, cross-chain composability with other apps, and greater liquidity. Here are some examples. Users can swap their ETH for Atom through a decentralized exchange directly from their wallet. Users have the convenience and ability to transact from a single universal wallet instead of needing one for every network or type of asset they want to use. NFTs purchased on one chain become portable, traveling with owners as they interact across different chains. By connecting all isolated ecosystems through a unified network and providing developers with the tools they need, Axelar enables innovation, unlocks new possibilities, and grows this global decentralized economy that will empower users no matter where they are on their journeys through Web3. Axelar powers the cross-chain future.
So yeah, guys, you know, that just looks amazing. I mean, Axelar is at the core of cross-chain communication between different blockchains, and yeah, I mean, that makes me so bullish on the tech and the project as a whole. So guys, obviously do your own research, have a look and see if Axelar is for you, and yeah, then if it is for you and you feel like it's a great project, then do as I'm doing and literally DCAing at the moment, so buying at the moment and waiting until the next bull run, where eventually I'm really banking on this to definitely probably 100x. So if we take a look at the tokenomics of Axelar, so we can see here pretty much most of the tokens are for the community. So community programs, 359 million tokens are allocated in that area. And also the token unlocking is kind of consistent as well. So there's not really a massive dump into the market of tokens. If we put it into perspective and say 2024 is going to be the year that we start to see the next bull run, then if we come along to 2024 and say roughly there's 500 and whatever that is, let's have a look, 530 million tokens or whatever that might be in the ecosystem at that time. Obviously not all of them would realistically be trading in the ecosystem, but yeah, if we say that there's 500, just call it 500 million tokens at 2024, let's take that a little bit here. So 529, so 530, call it. So if we say 530 million tokens, and I'll just do some quick maths here, so 530, 456, add that in there. So basically for Axelar to 100x, the market cap of Axelar will need to be roughly 25 billion, which is not, it's not like it can't do that. I guess with the tech, if they do kind of aim to achieve what they're looking to achieve, then I believe, yeah, 25 billion is probably a realistic market cap come the next bull run, and with their development and everything going on as well. So, if they do achieve what they're looking to achieve, the tech looks so solid that, I think they'll probably hit a 25 billion market cap come next bull run. But obviously that's just purely my opinion. So do your own research. Even if it's not 25 billion, it will still be like, I'm saying, it will still kind of 50 to 100x within that range in my perspective anyways. So yeah, I'm bullish on this project long term. Obviously, yeah, I'm definitely loading up at the moment and getting into this project whilst these prices are very cheap and at discount price. But yeah, guys, do your own research. Obviously, nothing that I say in this video is financial advice. Hit me up on the comments below. Let me know if you're buying Axelar, and yeah, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.